The Voyager D-12 carrier is a next-generation transport platform designed to handle heavy logistics in challenging environments. Built with advanced propulsion systems and robust structural engineering, it ensures high payload capacity while maintaining fuel efficiency and operational flexibility. Its modular design allows rapid adaptation for military, humanitarian, or industrial missions. From carrying troops to transporting supplies, the D-12 excels at long-range endurance and reliability. The Voyager D-12 isn't just a vehicle. It's a mobile powerhouse built for modern operations across land, sea. The Geocinch Rider is a futuristic off-road mobility concept, blending motorcycle agility with advanced stabilization systems. Engineered for rugged terrains, it offers precision handling, adaptive suspension, and powerful traction control. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for explorers, tactical missions, or recreational adventurers seeking next-level performance. Its innovative frame design ensures balance and efficiency across sand, rock, or urban landscapes. The Geocinch Rider represents the evolution of personal mobility, delivering freedom, control, and endurance in environments where standard vehicles fall short. The IAG Armadillo Armored Bus is a specialized transport solution designed to move personnel safely through high-risk zones. Equipped with ballistic protection, reinforced body panels, and advanced surveillance systems, it ensures security against small arms fire and explosive threats. With seating for large groups, it combines comfort with safety, making it ideal for military convoys, VIP transport, or humanitarian missions. Its robust chassis and reliable performance deliver peace of mind in dangerous regions. The Armadillo is not just a bus, it's a fortress on wheels. The LCAC-106 hovercraft is a high-speed amphibious craft designed for rapid deployment of troops, vehicles, and supplies. Operating over water, sand, and marshland, it provides unmatched mobility in coastal and battlefield environments. Powered by massive turbines, it can transport heavy armored vehicles directly onto shorelines, bypassing traditional ports. Its agility and speed make it indispensable for naval operations. The LCAC-106 is a testament to engineering excellence, giving military forces the ability to project power and logistics wherever they are. AUKUS, Autonomous Aerial Cargo Utility System, is a groundbreaking program that equips helicopters with advanced autonomy for resupply missions. Capable of navigating complex terrain, avoiding obstacles, and landing without pilot assistance, AACUS reduces risk in combat logistics. It ensures fast, reliable delivery of critical supplies to troops in remote or hostile areas. Designed by the U.S. Marine Corps and DARPA, it represents the future of unmanned aviation support. AACUS redefines logistics by making aerial resupplies safer, smarter, and more efficient. The UHAC Ultra Heavy Lift Amphibious Connector is a massive experimental transport vehicle designed to replace traditional landing craft. With a unique track-like flotation system, it can traverse water, mud, and sand while carrying tanks, trucks, and cargo. Capable of handling triple the load of standard landing craft, it ensures large-scale amphibious operations. Despite its bulk, UHAC maintains surprising versatility across diverse terrains. It is a glimpse into the future of amphibious logistics, promising greater efficiency and capacity for military deployment. The Escadron is a next-level tactical vehicle concept, blending speed, modularity, and advanced armor. Designed for reconnaissance and rapid strike missions, it features a lightweight yet resilient frame, adaptable weapon systems, and off-road superiority. Its high maneuverability makes it ideal for urban combat or rugged terrain operations. Built for versatility, it can support infantry, logistics, or patrol duties. The Escadron isn't just a combat vehicle. It's a dynamic battlefield tool that enhances mobility and survivability in high-threat environments. The Plazan Storm Rider is a four-armored vehicle engineered for special operations and rapid response missions. Featuring advanced ballistic protection, V-hull mine resistance, and modular armor kits, it ensures survivability against modern battlefield threats. Compact yet powerful. It combines agility with firepower, offering superior performance in urban or off-road conditions. Designed with crew safety and mission adaptability in mind, the Storm Rider sets new standards for lightweight armored mobility. It's the ideal solution for forces requiring speed, protection, and versatility in unpredictable environments. The Mosfera e-scooter is a futuristic electric two-wheeler designed for sustainable mobility. Its sleek design, powerful motor, and long-range battery make it both stylish and practical for modern commuters. With features like regenerative braking, smart connectivity, and lightweight construction, it redefines the urban riding experience. Built for eco-friendly travel, the Mosfera delivers agility, speed, and convenience without compromising comfort. It's more than a scooter. It's a glimpse into the next era of green transportation for cities worldwide. The Mobile Communications Center MC Cone is a self-contained hub for secure, on-the-move communications. Designed for military, disaster relief, and emergency response, it provides satellite links, encrypted data systems, and multi-channel coordination in real time. Built on a rugged vehicle platform, it ensures connectivity even in hostile or remote environments. The MC Cone allows command units to maintain control, share intelligence, and coordinate operations without fixed infrastructure. It is the ultimate mobile nerve center for modern mission. The IAG JAWS APC, Armored Personnel Carrier, is a multi-purpose, heavily protected vehicle built for troop transport in conflict zones. Its robust armor resists ballistic threats and IED blasts, while its powerful engine ensures mobility over rough terrain. With customizable weapon mounts and seating configurations, it adapts to diverse missions, from peacekeeping to frontline combat. Reliable, durable, and secure, the JAWS APC exemplifies modern armored transport, providing safety and effectiveness for soldiers on dangerous deployments. The Arisa patrol boat is a fast, versatile maritime vessel designed for coastal defense, law enforcement, and search and rescue operations. Equipped with advanced navigation, surveillance systems, and optional weapon mounts, it ensures dominance in littoral waters. Its lightweight composite hull provides speed, maneuverability, and endurance, even in rough seas. Built for flexibility, the Arisa excels in missions ranging from anti-smuggling to naval patrols. It's a modern guardian of the coastline, combining technology with reliability at sea. The FNSS Kaplan Hybrid is a cutting-edge armored vehicle that merges electric propulsion with traditional power systems. Its hybrid design reduces fuel consumption, enhances stealth, and improves mobility. Equipped with modular weapon systems, advanced armor, and next-generation sensors, it adapts to multiple battlefield roles. Silent mobility in hybrid mode allows for covert operations, while its rugged construction ensures survivability. The Kaplan Hybrid is a game-changer in armored warfare, delivering sustainability without sacrificing combat readiness. The Seagull is an unmanned surface vessel developed by Elbit Systems for naval warfare and security missions. Designed for anti-submarine warfare, mine countermeasures, and surveillance, it operates autonomously or remotely controlled. Equipped with advanced sonar, communication systems, and weapon integration, it reduces risks to human crews while extending operational reach. The Seagull represents the future of naval defense, versatile, cost-effective, and highly efficient in securing maritime domains. The UBCO-2X2 is a rugged, all-terrain electric utility bike built for work and adventure. With two-wheel drive, lightweight construction, and whisper-quiet performance, it conquers everything from farms to forest trails. Designed for durability and sustainability, it features swappable batteries, strong carrying capacity, and low maintenance costs. Whether for military patrols, outdoor exploration, or agricultural tasks, the UBCO 2X2 is the perfect blend of green technology and robust functionality. The Polaris MRZR Alpha is a high-performance tactical vehicle built for special forces and rapid deployment units. Compact yet powerful, it carries troops and equipment across difficult terrain with unmatched agility. Featuring modular design, high payload capacity, and compatibility with air transport, it excels in mobility-focused missions. From desert patrols to mountain operations, the MRZR Alpha delivers speed, durability, and adaptability, making it a trusted asset for modern militaries worldwide. The Lockheed Martin C-5 Galaxy is one of the largest military transport aircraft ever built, capable of carrying oversized cargo across intercontinental distances. With its immense payload capacity, advanced avionics, and in-flight refueling capability, it serves as a strategic lifeline for global military operations. Its hinged nose and rear-loading ramp allow for rapid cargo handling, from tanks to helicopters. The C-5 Galaxy remains a symbol of American airlift power, unmatched in its ability to move massive loads anywhere on Earth. The Rheinmetall HX-3 is a next-generation military truck platform designed for logistics and tactical support. With advanced automation options, modular architecture, and high payload capacity, it meets the demands of modern armed forces. Its robust off-road capability ensures reliable performance in extreme environments, while optional autonomous driving enhances operational efficiency. Built for the future battlefield, the HX-3 provides versatility, survivability, and digital connectivity, redefining the role of military logistics vehicles. The BMW R75 is a legendary World War II-era motorcycle with a sidecar, renowned for its ruggedness and versatility. Powered by a flat twin engine, it was engineered to traverse difficult terrain with ease, often fitted with machine guns and radios for combat roles. Its durability made it invaluable for reconnaissance, communication, and troop mobility during the war. Today, the R75 stands as an icon of military engineering, symbolizing both German craftsmanship and the evolution of tactical motorcycles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.